What respect is there in honor killing? 4th January 2022. Honor killings or honor killings have been going on for a long time in our country. Recently, a 17-year-old teenager killed his pregnant sister in a rural area of Aurangabad in his connection. His mother also joined in it. The problem is also that in these cases the offender does not consider himself to be a normal killer. He considers it a matter of pride towards maintaining the respect of his lineage. After all, what kind of concept of honor is this? Traditional ideology is that women are a storehouse of respect and men are its regulators. Whether it is the conflict of the Middle Ages of the violence of partition, respect is always associated with a woman's body. That is why this behavior, clothes, posture, and sex preferences all cause concern to men. In almost all forms of sexual violence, the offender is given the opportunity to play the role of a victim, as the woman was required to be tortured to describe her place in the world and restore the status quo. A research conducted in Haryana shows that families, communities, and villages claim valor for men who killed women for the sake of honor. In 1994, when Asha and Manoj's killer were granted bail in Nainagaon, Haryana, the villagers treated them very respectfully. The outrage was about why he was punished by the law. Between 2014 and 2016, 288 such cases were registered. Such cases have also come up in 2020. In view of all this, the Supreme Court declared that the act of honor killing puts the rule of law in a catastrophic crisis. Also asked to take steps to protect the rights of an adult's freedom. Rajasthan has a freedom of matrimonial allowances law in the name of Honor and Tradition Bill 2019 to deal with this crime. They are sitting at the highest place of crime, customs and traditions in the name of honor as women prays for their freedom. The burden of this tradition increases. Once upon a time, reports of such a crime used to come only from North India. But now, in South India also, the evil has started. Facts can be said to be disappointing. More than 38% of women are murdered by their partners. Even after 40 years of the Anti-Dowry Act, 6,966 cases have been registered under it last year. This is an indication of how deep the roots of misogyny are in society. Why are all laws on gender equality, education, jobs, and better health not able to eradicate this evil? Based on Malini Nayar's article published in the Times of India, December 19, 2021.